Let's take a look at this problem. 60 liters of pure maple syrup that costs $10 per liter are mixed with imitation maple syrup that costs $3 per liter. So we're going to have a mix, and it looks like we're dealing with pure and imitation. Okay. So we're going to have, I'll just label it pure, and we have our imitation. And looks like we got dollars and liters. Those are our two quantities. Your first reading should be to identify what you're mixing, and then was it L for liters? And then your two quantities you're looking for. Always will be two quantities. If it's one quantity, it's too simple for an algebra class. If it's three quantities, I've never seen anything that hard in an algebra class. And here's our blend, our final mix. Okay, let's see what they give us. 60 liters of pure. So we've got 60 liters of pure. It costs $10 per liter. So it'll be $10. Mixed with imitation, that costs $3 per liter. So that's $3. How much imitation syrup is needed to make a mixture that costs $6 per liter? How much imitation? That implies that this is going to be an X here, because we're trying to find how much of the imitation. And then to make a mixture that costs $6. So this tells us it's $6. So it looks like they pretty well give us everything except for the number of liters over here. Well, if this is a mix, then I'm going to take the number of liters here plus the number of liters here, and that'll give me my total number of liters. Well, this is 60 plus X. There we go. Okay, step 1. Get rid of parentheses. 10 times 60 gives us 600. Plus 3 times X is 3X. And over on the right side, we'll use the distributive property. 6 times 60 is 360, and 6 times X gives us 6X. Step 2. Get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Step 3. Get everything with an X on one side, numbers on the other. So I'll take the 6X and move it to the left side, and I'll take the 600 and move it to the right side. Remember, when you move anything across your equals, your sign changes. So the 6X becomes a negative 6X. The 600 becomes a negative 600. Combine together like terms at any step. 3X minus 6X is negative 3X. 360 minus 600 is negative 240. Let's see if that's right. 360 minus 600, negative 240. Okay, and then step 4. Divide both sides by number in front of your X. Number in front of our X is a negative 3, so we'll divide both sides by negative 3. And those negative 3's cancel, and those negatives cancel there, and 240 divided by 3 is 80. Now that's the X. That's the imitation here. Let's see what they're asking for. How much imitation? Okay, so that's what they're asking for. And so 80 would be our answer.